Hi everyone, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some lemon pepper fried chicken breast. So I have my chicken breast here that's already sliced and washed. So what I'm going to be adding, I have my lemon peppers seasoning, and I put some garlic powder in here and a little bit of onion powder. And I'm going to use some seasoning salt and I have 100% lemon juice and some crushed pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of ground ginger. Okay, so I'm gonna let it marinate for about half hour. I'm gonna get my flour ready. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take my chicken breasts and put it in my flour. And put it on my rack. So I already sprayed my rack with some oil. I'm actually going to fry this in the oven. You could use the cover and just shake it. and shake off the excess flour. Okay, so here's my chicken breast. What I'm going to do, I have some olive oil cooking spray that I'm going to just spray on top on each piece. And then I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. My oven is already preheated at 350, so I'm going to put it for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'll turn it and do the other side. So I turned my chicken. I'm just spraying it a little on the other side. And just so you see. So that's one side. So I just kind of turned it. I'm going to do the other side the same way. So it's just going to be about 5 more minutes. So my chicken is finished, and I just added a little bit more lemon pepper seasoning on top of it. I'm going to let it cool on the rack, and then you can have this with salad. You can have it with mashed potato. You can have it, you know, by itself. Just want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Remember, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss future videos. And also, guys, if you try out this recipe, please leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. See you next time.